Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and today I want to share with you guys this heart rate monitor by CooSpo. This heart rate monitor is so versatile. It comes with an extra strap so that you can tie it around your thigh, or you can just use this one strap and tie it around your arm, just wherever is most comfortable for you for whatever exercise you're doing. It's also very user-friendly. To turn it on, you just press this little button down here, and when the light is blinking like this, you can connect it via Bluetooth to your bike computer, the app you're using on your phone, to pretty much anything. So it is pretty universal. It also has a very modern and sleek look. My husband likes to wear it around his arm. That's where it's most comfortable for him, and you can see how easy it is to turn it on. Here's a look at the app and what it looks like once you connect your sensor to it and you can see your heart rate. So if you're looking for a way to keep up with your heart rate, I highly recommend this monitor by CooSpo, and that is my point of view.